Hey everyone, Nathan here, and today I'll be doing a quick review of the Wowstick F1 Plus Precision Screwdriver. Let's have a look and see what it can do. Okay, here we have the Wowstick F1 Plus Precision Screwdriver. The packaging is pretty simple and nothing really informative on it. Let's open it up and have a look inside. So, first up we have a screw pad, which I believe is a magnetic plate to put your screws on. Very neat. Okay. Then we have the screwdriver. Is pretty compact, uses a micro USB charger and has a forwards and backwards button in the one bit, and looks like it has a nice light. And we have some bits. You can see here. Next we have a base accessory, which I think is a stand for the screwdriver. It's got some good weight to it. And we have another set of bits. Not a bad selection. And another set of bits. Very good. And a case. Which is hard plastic and held together with magnets. Now this will hold, by the looks of it, one set of bits and the screwdriver. And finally we have the toolbox, which has a micro USB charging cable, a suction cup keyring, a magnetize demagnetize tool, a guitar pick type prying tool, and it looks like some spare screws for something. Cool. And then we have some other information. Alrighty, let's give it a go. Alrighty, here I have a old laptop that's died, and yeah, we can give it a go and see if it undoes screws. Seems to work quite effortlessly. Seems to do pretty well. Okay, now let's see how we go charging. So, to charge it, we just plug the micro cable into the end of the charger, and a little red light comes on. Nice and easy. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you have any thoughts or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And until next time, see you later.